Welcome to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Paul Rhodes and we're cooking with Carolina Cooker. Today we're doing a hand-seared hybrid striped bass. We're using a 13-inch cast iron skillet. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by putting our oil in here. We're going to get this hot, and while that's heating up, we're going to hit the skin side of the fish with a little salt and a little bit of pepper. When your fish is done, it's going to kind of flake a little bit like this. Generally, fish is going to be about a medium cook. So what you're going to do now, we're going to turn down the heat. We're going to add in our onion. We're going to add in our red pepper here. And we're going to add in our Eastern North Carolina barbecue. That's going to deglaze the pan, okay? And that's going to pull off any extra stuff. Then you're going to add in your cream. See how it's coming up? You're going to add in your herbs. We turned off the heat because the cast irons are great at holding residual heat, so it's going to stay hot enough to where we can finish with the sauce. We're going to put in our butter, and that's going to finish it. So it's going to make a nice little creamy texture to it. You want to keep that moving because if you let that butter get too hot, those fats will separate and then your sauce will break, and then it's going to be useless. There you go, pan-seared hybrid striped bass using the cast iron skillet. I am Chef Paul Rhodes, and it doesn't matter where you're cooking, you should always have an appetite for the outdoors.